Hello, here's SWC team, and you are watching a video digest in which we share the most important events in the history of string transport and SWC over the past weeks. In this release, SWC community won the People's Choice category of UNIO Awards 2023. New episode of uSky podcast. Free workshop for SWC participants. Let's not waste time and get straight to the first event. SWC community won the UNIO Award in People's Choice category. The UNIO Award is presented to leaders and organizations that bring people together, support the idea of partnership, trust, and sharing experience. The second episode of the new season of the uSky podcast has been released. In-studio guest is Maria Davyadkina, founder of the Association of Professionals in Organizational Development, Operational Effectiveness and Change Management, lecturer at the Higher School of Economics. 2 days workshop answering the question, how to choose the right financial growth strategy. Knowledge worth thousands of dollars is packaged in 4 hours and is available to everyone for free. The workshop will provide you with examples of the best financial literacy case studies, psychological tricks for dealing with negative attitudes, and much more. That was the main news for today. Please do put your likes and leave your comments for this release. See you soon.